tag. Safety first. Make sure you get help from your mom or dad. It's cold to be safe. And today we're gonna make cupcakes. First you need the cupcake mix. 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. If you like, you can get sprinkles. You need a cupcake pan and you need cupcake holder. First you mix everything together and mix it all up. And next it's time to pour. I put my sprinkles inside the cupcakes. Oops, I forgot to stir it up. Now I need to add more sprinkles. Now I can stir it up. I'm ready to pour. This is big cupcake. Remember, fill it halfway so our cupcakes are really big. Now I just gonna clean up a little bit. Now to go in the oven. Safe. My mommy's gonna put it in the oven because the oven is really hot. It's cold to be safe. Those sprinkles look amazing. I can't wait to see them done. Now you need your frosting. Now you're gonna spread the frosting on top of the cupcake. Remember, you have to wait till the cupcake cool down before you put the frosting on. Wait, it's gonna... Now I'm gonna add the sprinkle. Alright, here goes the oil. I did too much. All done. Now I'm going to show you the sprinkles in the inside. Don't forget to like and share.